Aging. Most people think it's natural, like an unavoidable countdown from the moment we are born. But according to advanced AI biological models, aging is not a destiny, it's a mistake in the code of life, a bug, a glitch in cellular programming that humanity may soon learn to fix. And if that is true, then the biggest question becomes, what happens when humans learn to turn the clock back? AI predicts that by 2090, the cure for aging will not come from pills, surgeries, or genetic miracles. It will come from cellular AI reprogramming, a process where nanoscopic AI tools analyze your cells, identify aging errors, and reverse them one by one. Let's break down how this future unfolds. 1. Aging is a code error, not a fate. AI models trained on billions of genomic sequences suggest something shocking. Cells don't age because they're supposed to. They age because they accumulate misread instructions. Imagine a photocopier making a copy of a copy of a copy. Eventually, the image blurs. Your cells work the same way. Every time they divide, imperfections are copied forward. AI predicts that the real cause of aging is the accumulation of faulty cellular instructions, not time itself. And if instructions can be repaired, aging can be paused or reversed. 2. By 2045, early age reversal begins. AI forecasts that by 2045-2050, early forms of anti-aging tech will appear, blood-cleaning nanobots that remove damaged proteins, gene repair algorithms, DNA patches that rewrite corrupted sequences, mitochondria boosters that restore energy levels. These won't make you younger yet, but they will slow aging dramatically, pushing average lifespans past 110. Humanity will start noticing that people in their 60s look like they're in their 40s. 3. By 2070, biological resetting. AI predicts the breakthrough moment arrives in 2070. That's when scientists begin to reset human cells to a younger biological age, the same way you reset a phone to factory settings. Your skin, organs, immunity, and energy levels revert to how they were decades earlier. People begin choosing their appearance age. Some freeze their biological age at 35, others at 25. Some stay 50 forever. Human aging becomes customizable. This is when everything changes. AI predicts that by 2090, humanity achieves full cellular reprogramming, powered by predictive nanobots and genetic AI. These aren't metal robots. These are microscopic organic AI cells, smaller than bacteria, capable of repairing damaged DNA, preventing mutations, restoring telomeres, reversing cellular decay, rebuilding tissues with perfect precision. They behave like tiny doctors inside your body 24/7. They repair you continuously, and they don't let you age. This isn't slowing aging, this is turning aging off. 5. But immortality has consequences. AI also warns humanity of the challenges. 1. Overpopulation pressure. A world where nobody dies will require strict birth limitations. 2. Economic restructuring. Retirement disappears. Careers last centuries. Wealth inequality explodes unless regulation evolves. 3. Identity crisis. If you live 300 years, who are you? What do you believe? People will experience multiple lifetimes, new careers, new families, new versions of themselves. 4. Psychological strain. Humans are not built for endless existence, but AI predicts mental adaptation tech will evolve as well, allowing us to reset our emotional state. 6. The ultimate question. AI predicts immortality is not a yes or no choice, it's a spectrum. Some will choose to slow aging, some will choose to reset, some will choose to stop aging permanently, but the greatest question remains, if you could live forever, would you still feel human? And even deeper, would you choose immortality if it meant losing the meaning of time? The cure for aging may be closer than we think, but the cure for mortality, that's a choice only humanity can make. Thanks for watching my video. Please like and subscribe for more videos.